Hey, what's going on? Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Snapchat, Instagram. Let's not forget our friends and loved ones at YouTube. How are you guys doing today on this beautiful Saturday? It is your host, your friends, your trading in arms partner, Saul Lujan, Mr. Alchemist, Mr. Raise Your Frequency, Mr. Esoteric Investor. How are you guys doing? Um, I'm gonna start up with, before you guys get overwhelmed, I have 4 different charts. I got my 5 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute, 4 hour. That's how I trade. I like to look into the future while I'm still in the present, and I can look at the past. So I'm getting what we consider the God eye of what's going on. So that is a reason why we could realize and know when the market is being manipulated, when the money makers, the money movers, the market makers are coming in, going out. So we're able to see that. So I'm gonna jump in. I usually trade off the 5 minute, but I've been doing research, and I'm gonna try out the 50 minute because I heard the 50 minute out takes out a little bit less of the noise. So I'm still trading off the 5 minute signals, but I'm coming in at it at the 50 minute chart. So as you guys could tell, I have a buy order that is positive $3, but I have a sell order that's negative $21. So here's my stop loss. So as you guys could tell, let me see. Okay, it's too far. Okay, hold on, it's too far. Hold on. Okay, this candle right here, where it says sellers, all the way down to here, that represents my one candle. Okay, so earlier, and this is something why I kind of know what the brokers are doing, because I had a discussion with one of my brokers saying, hey man, you guys are fucking with the system. You guys just would stop hunting one of my losses up here, one of my trades, and this is how you did it. You know, you guys are using black backend plugins and all these aspects of it. So I came in here my original sell. They bounced it off to come back in, so I have to come here. So right now, if it goes past 157.54, I want to be out because we're going to go back in the uptrend. You know, so my longer trend is a down short, and my scalping is my buy counter. Does that make sense? People are like, well, that's kind of confusing. Yeah, kind of it is, but it's not. You know, and that's the reason why I use different charts. Let me go back to the charts. Okay, here my 5 minutes telling me that we're getting ready to hit the mail. That's an EMA setting. This is a market maker's level that they're very active. That's why I move my line. Hold on. Okay, so I moved it here, and it moves it in all my charts. So now the level that's going to hit and do some turbulence trades going to happen, it's already on my 15 minute. So now I'm saying here on my 15 minute, I go, hey, look at this, my 15 minutes right here, daily candle right here, 50 minute, we're right at a level of liquidity. That's what that red line represents. That is sellers that were going short, and their liquidity is being targeted. Because you have to remember, the market makers are operating on an open letter of credit. Okay? Hope you guys are listening. There is an open letter of credit that these brokers are utilizing to trade against you or to trade in the markets, and that's the reason why 95% of the retail investors and traders lose their money. Okay. Um. So what they need is like, it's like having an unlimited. You have a credit card, so you could use it and use it and use it and use it. So you have to make a payment. So that is why short traders fund the long position traders, and the long position traders fund the scalpers and short traders. So you see how this algorithmic machine that we call the market in crypto, in metals, in everything, now with technology, has an artificial intelligence operating. Okay, so it targets this place of liquidity as they get down to the reserves. Okay, as you guys could tell in my 4 hour, it's consolidating. Look at that. Look at this right here in the 4 hour. Look at that. We're right now on XRP. We are at a level. That's what this white line represents on the 4 hour. That represents that the banks are buying. They're filling up their books right here. That's what this white line represents, and that's why I keep it on the higher time frame. This price right here, $1.58, 1.58052. This is a key level that the market makers see fit. Because remember, they're drug dealers. They buy and sell. So they have to be able to get from the plug cheaper prices and be able to come back and sell it to the retail buyers at higher prices. That's the reason why we lose. As soon as I found that out, I did, and I'm doing everything in my possible realm to explore, is how do I get away from being a retail trader. So I'm looking into money making techniques, wholesaling techniques. Same thing like in real estate. Okay, but anyways, so here's my 30 minutes. So you can tell this is my New York session. Then you have my London session. You see, so I'm using artificial intelligence to be able to help me bring to my attention information and movements that I might not be able to see. Because like I said earlier, and the reason why I took the buy was the asking price wasn't, the price wasn't moving, but the spreads were going crazy. So I'm like, these motherfuckers, these dirty motherfuckers are about to do this and this and this. So I countered with, okay, you want to go that way? You're giving me the kickstarts that you're going to go that way? Cool. If you're going to go that way, I'm going to make money with you. So either the market goes up, down, or sideways, we're going to make money in this trade. Like I said, look, I'm buying into myself, and and I'm selling into my buys. How fucking crazy is that? So let me kind of give you a bigger glimpse on the 15 minute, so it doesn't look so choppy. Okay, so I'm selling it. So I'm doing what the bankers are doing. The bankers, remember, I don't know if you heard me say, the bankers sell to buy, or they buy to sell. So that's what I'm doing. No, am I wrong? No. One of the best flattery or compliment is duplication of what they're doing. So I'm just doing what they're doing. You know, I ain't trying to reinvent the wheel. This is what you guys are doing. This is what you guys want to give me. Cool. Because earlier there was a $6 difference from the sell and the buy. So the actual price of the coin or the product is not going down. It is the manipulation of the brokers on the spreads that's being done. And that's why I'm able to see with all this intelligence in front of me. Look at that. I'm able to see my MACD, my stochastics, my EMAs from daily to minutes. Okay? All these candles are smart candles. I'm sure you've seen them, you heard about smartphones. This is a smart candle. Why is it a smart candle? Because it's not only telling me price action, it's telling me volume. Okay? It's telling me direction, volume, and price action. Like I said, once I figured out that 95% of retail investors and traders lose 95% of their money within the first 9 months, I was like, hell no. So I will continue investing in my knowledge. I will continue investing in my craft. I will continue investing in my tools. But most and foremost, I will continue investing in individuals that want to change their lives and they would like to learn how to do this. So peace, love, and abundance be with y'all. And let's get this money. Let's make this pips, pay our bills. As you guys could see. Hold on. I know that was a shameless plug-in, but I know today I'm not putting any music on, like I want to make sure this message goes out there clear. You know what I mean? And like I said, this is my one push system that we have. She's frozen, it's freezing. I noticed that when I go live on social medias, my system starts acting up. Maybe I shouldn't fucking put my account information out there. But peace, love, and abundance be with y'all. Hold on, I want to show you something before we get out. Come on, baby. And then I'll end it on that note. Look at that. Like this is a lagging, and it only happens when I go live and get on crypto. Okay. So those are all my numbers. I'm gonna make money on this trade some way, somehow. Okay? But I wanna show you guys something real quick. Where are you? Okay, let's see if you guys could see this. Can you guys see my scanner? No? You guys can't see my scanner? Shit. Okay, well, we have an artificial intelligence algorithmic scanner. Okay, there it goes. There it goes. Just taking a little bit of time. Okay. So as you guys can tell, those are the regular charts. So those are my regular charts, my 5, 15, 1 hour, 4 hour trading in, always trading in trend. Or if I counter trend, I'm always making sure that I have the higher time frame in front of me. But on this scanner today, what we set up different parameters. Green still represents uptrend. Red still represents downtrend. Blue still represents consolidation or accumulation, where banks and money makers are getting their books and ready to kind of go into a run. Okay, but now before, the dots would represent the volume. On this setting, we have EMA crosses. I'm sure you heard of the golden crosses. I'm sure you heard of the death crosses. So instead of me physically looking for them, like right here, look at here. Here's a golden cross. Okay, that's a 2050 EMA cross. Right now, once it scans here, it's gonna tell me it's right here on the 5 minute. Then it's gonna tell me it's another one on the 1 hour, another one on the 4 minute. You know what I mean? So the dot, if it's yellow, it's consolidating. If it's blue, it's uptrend. If it's black, it's downtrend. You know what I mean? So I'm doing, if it's under the 20 and under the 50 and under the 200 is a downtrend. So I will look for positions to come short. Okay. So let's go with Bitcoin. Just like that, all my Bitcoin charts. Let's take all these grids. I don't like the grids. Okay, so these are all your time frames of Bitcoin. This is just a quick mock-up. Okay, this is the high point of Bitcoin. Okay, boom. Let's see. So we got that. Here, right here, on the 50 minute is, look at that. A top was going to the top. It failed to go to the top. Why? Because this price has buyers trap high. So it's going to fake people. They're going to go long, and then they're going to pull the market out. Okay? Down here. Look at that. Okay? Here is a cross. I wouldn't enter here to maybe down here. Down. Here, I would wait till the pullback came up here to the 50 or the 200, then go short. Here, same thing. You see? So you see how you're able to go into different time frames? Okay. This one is going to be a fake. Look at that. Broke into the 200 just to activate the liquidity, and now it's going to come back down. Once you understand how these motherfuckers move, once you understand how they manipulate the markets, once you have the education and the tools, this game becomes a cakewalk. It's simple that everybody could do it, but it's not easy. It's a difference. So peace, love, and abundance be with y'all, and I'll see you guys on another video. Don't forget to hit and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We will be doing some more live trading there. So let's get it. Let's have these pips pay our bills.